Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Real English Conversation. I'm Paul.
And I'm Emily. We're so happy to see you here today.
Today's lesson is all about hobbies and free time. Why is this important? Well, hobbies are one of the easiest ways to start conversations in English.
Exactly. When you meet someone new, asking about hobbies is a friendly way to connect. And when you share your own hobbies, people learn more about you.
In this lesson, we're going to practice real conversations, learn lots of new vocabulary, and do role plays together.
And don't forget, you should repeat after us when we practice. That way, you'll not only understand, but also speak English with confidence.
Great. Let's get started. Hey, Emily, what do you usually do in your free time?
I love reading books, especially mystery and adventure stories. What about you?
I like playing football with my friends. We usually play every Saturday.
That sounds fun. Do you play in a team?
Yes, we have a small local team, and sometimes we compete with other groups.
Wow, that's exciting. I've never played football, but I enjoy watching it.
That's great. What do you usually do on Sundays?
On Sundays, I usually go for a walk in the park or try a new recipe. Cooking is one of my hobbies, too.
See, friends, that's how you can have a natural, friendly conversation about hobbies. Simple questions, simple answers.
Emily, let's now look at some useful vocabulary and phrases you can use. 1. I like swimming. I like watching movies. 2. I love painting pictures. I love playing guitar. 3. I enjoy cooking new dishes. I enjoy listening to music. 4. I'm interested in photography. I'm interested in learning languages. 5. My hobby is gardening. My hobby is cycling. 6. In my free time, I watch TV. In my free time, I read blogs. 7. I usually go running in the morning. I usually play chess with my brother. 8. On weekends, I visit my grandparents. On weekends, I play video games. 9. Sometimes I go shopping. Sometimes I write short stories. 10. I spend time with my friends. I spend time playing sports. 11. I'm good at drawing. I'm good at dancing. 12. I like to relax by listening to music. I like to relax by taking a walk. 13. Do you have any hobbies? Do you have any hobbies, Paul? Do you have any hobbies, Emily? 14. What do you like doing in your free time? What do you like doing in your free time? 15. How often do you play tennis? How often do you go swimming?
That's already 15 very useful expressions. With these, you can talk about almost any hobby.
Hi, I'm Emily. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Emily. I'm Paul. Nice to meet you too.
So, Paul, do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I love playing guitar. I practice almost every day.
Emily, that's cool. How long have you been playing?
For about 2 years. What about you?
I'm interested in photography. I like taking pictures of nature.
Wow, that's creative. Do you share your photos online?
Yes, sometimes. It's a fun way to connect with people.
Paul as teacher. Okay, class. Today's topic is hobbies. Emily, can you tell us your hobby?
Emily, as student. Yes, my hobby is drawing. I usually draw in my notebook.
Very nice. How often do you draw?
I draw 3 or 4 times a week.
Great job. See, class, that's how we talk about hobbies.
Hi, Paul. What are you doing?
I'm playing an online game with my cousin.
Cool. Do you play every day?
No, maybe 2 or 3 times a week. What about you?
I enjoy learning new recipes online. Cooking is relaxing for me.
That's awesome. Can you cook Italian food?
Yes, I love pasta.
Hey, Emily, what do you usually do after work?
I like to relax by watching TV or reading a book.
Nice. I usually go to the gym. Exercising is my hobby.
That's great. It keeps you healthy and strong.
Paul. Okay, everyone, now it's your turn. Repeat after me. I like swimming. I love reading. My hobby is painting. In my free time, I play football.
Emily, great. Now answer these questions out loud. What do you like to do in your free time? Do you have any hobbies? How often do you practice your hobby?
You can also write your answers in the comments below.
Let's quickly review what we learned today.
We practiced talking about hobbies and free time.
We learned useful phrases like I like, I enjoy, my hobby is, and I'm interested in.
We also learned how to ask questions. Do you have any hobbies? And what do you like to do in your free time?
Plus, we practiced 3 role plays in school, online, and at work.
Thanks for watching today's lesson. Remember, the best way to improve is to practice every day.
Yes, practice speaking about your hobbies with your friends or even by yourself in front of a mirror.
And write your answers in the comments. We'd love to hear about your hobbies.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Real English Conversation.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.